I don't know if you can see this. It says 40 degrees. Oh, let me get closer. 40 degrees. And then come over here. Whoa, look at our waterfall. It's got ice all over it. Amazing. Look at the icicles. Oh, wow. Look at that. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, I gotta get off here. I almost slipped and fell. Whoa. I guess it's dangerous down there. I almost fell. Wow. Look at my little friends. Wow. Never seen that before here. It's friggin' cold this morning. The lake looks like glass.